Before you sit for the VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 networking exam, you must test your real readiness. Many candidates fail not because they lack knowledge, but because they don't practice scenario-based Cloud Foundation networking questions. In this video, Pass for Future brings you 5 carefully selected exam-style questions to sharpen your thinking, reveal common traps, and help you understand how VMware expects you to choose the correct design decision. Let's begin. Question 1. Which design approach best ensures high availability for north-south traffic in VMware Cloud Foundation networking? A. Single Tier 1 gateway. B. Multiple Tier 0 gateways with ECMP-C, standalone edge node. D. Distributed firewall only. Correct answer, B. Multiple Tier 0 gateways with ECMP explanation. Using multiple Tier 0 gateways with equal cost multipath, ECMP, provides redundancy and load distribution for north-south traffic. This design avoids single points of failure and ensures continuous connectivity even if one path or edge node becomes unavailable, which is critical for enterprise-grade Cloud Foundation deployments. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of overlay networking in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. Replace physical switches. B. Provide logical networks independent of physical infrastructure. C. Increase hardware performance. D. Disable routing between segments. Correct answer, B. Provide logical networks independent of physical infrastructure. Explanation. Overlay networking abstracts logical networks from the physical underlay. This allows flexible segmentation, workload mobility, and consistent policies across environments. It enables Cloud Foundation to scale without being limited by physical switch configurations, making network design simpler and more agile. Question 3. Which feature is mainly responsible for micro-segmentation security? In VMware Cloud Foundation, A. Tier 0 gateway. B. Load balancer. C. Distributed firewall. D. DHCP service. Correct answer, C. Distributed firewall. Explanation. The distributed firewall enforces security policies at the virtual NIC level for each workload. This enables micro-segmentation by controlling east-west traffic inside the data center. It reduces attack surfaces and allows granular security rules without relying only on perimeter firewalls. Question 4. In a multi-site VMware Cloud Foundation deployment, what is the key networking design consideration? A. Using a single IP range for all sites. B. Ignoring latency between sites. C. Ensuring consistent routing and connectivity policies. D. Disabling security features. Correct answer, C. Ensuring consistent routing and connectivity policies. Explanation. Multi-site deployments require consistent routing, security, and connectivity policies to avoid traffic conflicts and service interruptions. Proper design ensures predictable communication between workloads across sites while maintaining performance, resilience, and centralized management. Question 5. Which protocol is commonly used to support dynamic routing between VMware Cloud Foundation and external networks? A. FTP-B, SNMP-C, BGP-D, HTTP. Correct answer, C. BGP. Explanation. Border Gateway Protocol, BGP, allows dynamic route exchange between Cloud Foundation networking components and external physical networks. It supports scalability and redundancy by automatically adjusting routes when network paths change, making it ideal for enterprise and hybrid cloud environments. These are 5 real exam-style exam questions from VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 networking exam. The key is not memorizing answers, but understanding design logic and decision-making. At Pass for Future, we provide full-length 3v0 25.25 question sets with detailed explanations to help you prepare confidently and avoid exam day surprises. If you found these questions helpful, imagine what our full practice set can do for your score. Like this video to support more exam content, subscribe to Pass for Future for daily 3v0 25.25 practice questions. Comment Pass if you want the full question pack, and share this video with a friend preparing for the VMware exam. Your success starts with practice, and Pass for Future is here to guide you all the way to certification.